friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiana and I make videos about cleaning, organization, DIY, and just lifestyle in general. I have been really slacking lately. I've been really busy with work, so I have a reason for it, but I really want to be consistent with my videos. I would like to upload at least 3 times a week, so I'm gonna work hard on getting my work done a lot faster and just filming videos when I have free time. I just get so tired sometimes and then I just end up relaxing instead of filming a video and editing it and putting it up. So that's my goal for the week, get 3 videos up. I want to do, this one's just a short like morning cleaning routine, something that I do every single day. I want to do like a holiday DIY. I don't know if anyone wants to collaborate with me. That would be awesome. I like doing collabs. I've only done one. I did it with Amber, and it was just, I loved it. It kind of kept me accountable in a way to get the video up, so that was good. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want to do a collab with me. I would love to do that, either a DIY or a declutter or whatever. I'm open to anything. So just let me know in the comments below. Send me a message and we will get that started. But for today's video, I just kind of did something that I always do. I always get my dishes done in the morning. If I don't, my day is like not wrecked, but it doesn't feel right. And then I get home from work and there's dishes everywhere. So I always make sure I get my dishes done in the morning before I walk the dogs, get it done, and then it just starts my day off right. So again, if you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Subscribe, comment below, let me know if you want to collab, or let me know if you like the video or what you think I should do next. If I should do like DIY or if I should do like a cleaning or a purge thing. I'm running out of breath. But anyways, let me know. I want to create videos that you guys want to watch, so that would be great. And yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you thought. Bye. guys, that's the end of the video, obviously, because we're here now and it's over. Let me know in the comments below if you guys could see who it was that I was watching while I was cleaning in my video. Her intro goes through like near the end, so if you do watch her, you'll know who it is right away. And I want to do a giveaway because I'm almost at 50 subscribers. I think I'm at like 49, but once I get there, obviously I want to grow more. So I will do a giveaway and I'll announce it after I hit 50 subscribers. So if you would like to be entered, don't forget to subscribe, comment below and let me know that you subscribed, and like the video for me. And I'll figure out like the logistics, like what I'm going to give away and all that good stuff. It'll probably be like a Target gift card or Starbucks, because those are my two favorite places. So again, don't forget to guess who it was during that video that I was watching. And then that's it, really. Comment below, let me know if you guys have any suggestions for the gift card. It'll probably be like 25 bucks to wherever, Starbucks or Target. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit shorter than normal, but I just wanted to get you guys a video, let you know that I'm still alive, here, well, and wanting to make more videos for you. So I'm actually going to record another video right now once I finish editing this one. So look out for that one, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!